Here for the track preview for the final round of the 20 Chocolate Alcohol Cup, and it's also the Croatian national champs. It's really windy, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me. We got a new start, everything is looking nice. It's still preparing the track, so not everything is finished, but let's roll into. We got this grass section here first, and into the first two corners, kind of slimy. It's really wet, looks like it's been raining. Hopefully the first jump is going. Oh, barely. High speed into this small one, gotta brake a lot or go around. Here it's best to go big pull, scrub, big pull, and into that section it's kind of difficult to be, you gotta time it really well. Another grass section here, kind of slippery, gotta watch out. Corner. Here we have two lines over the stump. Let's try that. Works. Have a little thingy. Have two lines. I'll try to go around. I think that's lower actually. Some steep corners. Pretty loose and dry, unlike the first part of the track. The steep section. Oh, bumpy. Here we have a little double. We are here almost done. This is second to last forest. Whew. The track is not still done. I gotta watch out if somebody's working on the track, maybe on the bottom part. Here we have some really tight corners. Here's gonna be a wall ride. It's still not done, but it will be for the race day. Now flat out grass section here. Gotta stay low for the finals and qualies. We are gonna be sprinting here. Now we're just cruising here into the last bit of forest. Well, I wouldn't even call this a forest, but it's one corner up. I almost fucking washed out. Over the road, inside, and into the finish area. Here is going to be the finish. That was it for this track preview.